Hi guys, welcome. My name is Raha and I'm joining you from South Germany. For the next 5 minutes, I would love to invite you to join me as I guide us through a grounding meditation to relieve stress and feel centered. So please find a comfortable meditation seat, whatever that means for you. Maybe it's lying down, maybe it's coming into a cross-legged position, or maybe it's seated on any form or shape. Arrive in that seat. Maybe close the eyes or bring the gaze inward, and let's bring awareness to the part of your body that is in contact with the ground. Explore the weight of your body, whether it's lying down or sitting down. And in return, feel the ground beneath you that is supporting you steady. Feel into the tissues of the body, muscles, bones, cartilage, and fluids, and the gentle gravity pulling you in and supporting you. The ground is firm, steady, stable, and strong. Scan the body and notice how your body feels. In particular, any places that may feel unstable. Can you use the feeling of your body weight pressing down towards this firm ground that supports you to feel more grounded and stable? Can you use the weight of your body supported by the firm ground to feel more stable, grounded, and supported? Now bring the awareness to your breath. Natural breathing, no need to change anything. Notice the entire breath from the start of the inhale to the bottom of the exhale. Notice the sensation, air entering through the nose, brushing the throat, entering the chest, filling the belly all the way through the bottom. Feel the expansion, feel the power, feel rooted yet tall and full of energy. Now bring the attention to the exhale and the feeling of releasing, letting go, and emptying out. Feel grounded as you exhale. The weight of your body releasing down. You let go of efforting, feeling stillness. Just notice the breath as it comes in and as it goes out. Whenever you're ready, prepare to come out of the meditation by blinking your eyes open and taking a few moments to pause and breathe deeply as you move into the rest of your day. Thank you and namaste.